Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a favicon to Squarespace, including dark mode. This is a great way to ensure your site's branding looks polished across all browser tabs and adapts seamlessly, whether visitors are viewing in light or dark mode. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to squarespace.com. Once the page loads, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing in with the account that has access to the website you want to edit. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard where you'll see all the websites connected to your account. Take a moment to locate the specific website where you want to add the favicon and dark mode version. Click on that website to open its main editor. Now look over to the left side menu. You'll see several options here, but what you're looking for is the gear icon. This icon represents the settings section. Go ahead and click on it to open up all the configuration options for your site. Once the settings panel opens, you'll notice a menu on the left side. Make sure you're currently on the website section. This is where all the core site settings live, including your favicon options. From here, find and click on favicon. This will take you to the area where you can upload and manage your site's favicon images for both standard and dark mode displays. You'll see a plus icon. Click on it to begin adding your first favicon. For this tutorial, we'll select an image from the library, so go ahead and choose from library. Browse through your available images, select the picture you want to use as your favicon, and then click Add. This image will now represent your site in light mode. Now let's set up the dark mode version. You'll notice there's a section labeled dark mode. Simply click the plus icon again, and once more select from library. Choose a picture that works well for dark mode, ideally one that contrasts nicely against darker browser themes, and click Add. Once you've added both images, take a moment to review them and make sure they look exactly how you want. When you're satisfied, click the Save button to apply your changes. Your favicon is now set up for both light and dark modes, giving your site a professional, cohesive look across all viewing environments. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.